In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Advertise with Us, click Operate, and view the available tools and resources. Let's walk through this together in a simple and clear way. The goal here is to help you access the Advertise with Us section, move into the Operate area, and then take some time to review what's available on the page. This is useful if you want to become more familiar with the platform, understand the support materials provided, or see what tools are offered to help you manage advertising related tasks more effectively. To begin, open the Advertise with Us page. Depending on where you're starting from, this may be available through a main website menu, a navigation bar, or a link on the homepage. Once you've opened it, give the page a moment to fully load so everything appears properly. This can make it easier to spot the correct options and avoid clicking the wrong section too quickly. When the page is ready, click on Operate. Look carefully for the label so you select the correct area. In many platforms, sections like this are organized to separate setup, management, and support functions. So entering Operate usually brings you to content related to running or managing advertising activity. If the page has multiple tabs or headings, make sure you stay focused on the Operate section specifically. After that, view the available tools and resources. Take your time here and look through what is presented on the page. These tools and resources may include guides, dashboards, planning materials, support documentation, or other helpful items designed to assist users in carrying out advertising tasks. If you're new to the platform, this is a good moment to become familiar with the layout and understand what kinds of help or functionality are offered. Next, browse the page. Scroll through the content slowly and pay attention to the different sections, links,